Hey guys, welcome to another powerful episode of Streetish from your number one TV, The Larry TV, and I'm your host, Lekki Smile, the certified Yoruba boy. I'm in the city of Lagos again, man. I just want to do one or two things here, man. But this time around, I'm going to be going a little dirty. I want to find out from the girls the sound their guys make when they are about to come, and the guys too, the ringtone their girl gives when they are being served. That juicy stuff, you understand? All right, this is going to be fun. Let's do this together. Stay right there. Streetish, don't go nowhere. Baba Alpha.
Fine.
Baba, I beg, wetin be the ringtone of your girl? Which sound should they make anytime where they give them that thing?
Bros. Guy. As in the ring.
No lie, oh, the ringtone, yeah. Just pretend like saying now you be the guy, she they do them, just do them for me.
Well, she go just like, easy, you hurting me, then me I was like, oh, sorry, so that's what she give me, right?
What's your own ringtone when you're enjoying it?
Oh my God. That's what I can say now.
You said? I didn't hear you. Okay.
Baby, please. Don't do me, dear.
Oh, sometimes we just scream in a romantic way.
Like, can you sample one for me? That's all?
Yeah. And sometimes you do shout. Sometimes you just say to me, Mommy, can you please hold me tight?
You say what?
Sometimes you just tell me, Mommy, please hold me tight.
He calls you mommy?
Yeah, he do.
Really?
Yeah, seriously.
That's romantic, all right?
Wow. She's screaming, oh baby, me hard, me hard, baby, me hard. It's normal thing, Sha. It's a normal thing. It's a big day.
Oh, yeah, my baby.
Okay. The guy holds you like real tight?
Yes.
Can you do that again? I didn't really get that.
Oh, God. My baby.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh baby, I love that. Oh, keep jacking it. That's when I get it, dog.
If he wants to come, we say, baby, hold me tight.
That's how he does it?
Yeah.
Does he hold you, grab you real tight or something?
Yes, grab me very well.
Give it to me, baby. Oh, yeah.
I better introduce yourself to me.
He's aka Coco Boni Keja, aka Kodonbe Koko. I like to like what's happen. They feel me if I don't ask my babe last song.
So what's it gonna be the ringtone where your babe they give if you they knock him?
Oh, go they tell me, Coco Boni, if you love me, I go kill myself. If you leave me, say you are lie. Say you they fast. Go they kilo day. But I believe say I be mad, they strong. But if you enter very well, say go say Baba, say you are lie, you no go leave me. I go die. Oh. Sometimes you don't carry go say they pay me. They pay you, sir. What's happen? Make I leave, remove us. I know, they don't leave. I know, say they enjoy her.
Ouch, baby. Yo.
Welcome back, guys. I believe you all enjoyed this very episode of Streetish. That was fun. I never knew those ringtones existed, but you all heard the responses. All right, I gotta go right now. But don't forget to log on to our website www.delaruylife.com. Follow us on Instagram. The handle is at official Delaruylife, and on Facebook, Twitter, the handle is at official Delaruylife. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more good videos. All right, the handle is also at Delaruylife. I gotta go right now. Till I come your way next time, I remain your host, Lekki Smile, the certified Yoruba boy. Odabo.